Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to two top MNCs important update, Infosys and Capgemini onboarding and joining update. Capgemini 27 April 2023 joining is announced for some batches and some phases. Infosys 22 May 2023 joining is for all candidates or for some candidates. Okay. Date of joining defragment, and this is related to Capgemini. Mode of joining is physical, not virtual. Let's start the video. Okay, so this type of mail is received by some of the candidates from Capgemini, and the Capgemini next hiring cycle is announced 5th January 2023 by 3 p.m. This is the deadline to fill this form, and you have to combine all the onboarding details and instruction are under one heading. Mode of onboarding is physical. You have to go to the location because they do not mention that the location is related to virtual. Okay, mode of training is physical. 27 April 2023 onboarding and training location is Pune unit 1. Okay, so they just mentioned that the full address Pune. Okay, reporting time is 8:30. Post your training program, the final work location and plan will be updated as per the business requirement. So I already mentioned in my previous videos that according to the hiring cycle, they are sending the joinings. Okay. So if you still not receive, so you have to wait because the phase is January to April. Okay. In which you can see the so many joinings from the Capgemini as well. Okay. So this is related to Capgemini update. If you received, congratulations, and if you not received yet, you have to wait for some time. Okay. So this is the date of joining defragment mail from the Infosys that dear candidate, greetings from Infosys. We are so blessed that you have accepted our offer of employment and we look forward to welcoming you Infosys soon. One of our reason our employee build thriving growth centric to facilitate the advantage for you and better align to start your career. We are rescheduling your employment start date to 22 May 2023. Okay, so this date like 22 May 2023 is not for all candidates. Okay, it is for the some candidates and for the some batches. Not all candidates received this date. Some candidate received the joining in the January month itself. Some candidate received the joining in the February month itself. But most probably some February candidates got the joining as a May 2023. Okay. So most probably this is the final joining date from the Infosys team and they are not rescheduling this joining date to the another month because as so many batches are on board in the phase of November to January, so as per the requirement they will schedule the joining for some candidates in the 2022 May itself. बट इफ अगर Infosys आपकी ड्रीम कंपनी, आपने पूरी प्लानिंग कर रखी है हमें Infosys में ही जाना है, सो प्रिपेयर फॉर द FA एग्जामिनेशन बिकॉज इफ यू प्रिपेयर इन एडवांस सो आपको ट्रेनिंग में भी बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, मतलब आप बहुत अच्छे से सीख पाएंगे, आप मैसूर कैंपस में बहुत अच्छे से सारी चीजों को एक्सप्लोर कर पाएंगे और आप FA एग्जाम को क्लियर कर लेंगे जिससे आपको प्रोजेक्ट बहुत जल्दी अलोकेट हो जाएगा. ओके, so they are mentioning that we invite you to leverage our rich digital learning resources to refresh your skills. You can start here. टाइम दिया है, आप देख सकते हैं एंड आपको लगता है बहुत ज्यादा टाइम है, मतलब अभी टाइम है हमारी ज्वाइनिंग में, सो यू कैन स्टिल अप्लाई फॉर द न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज ऑन आवर चैनल. वी आर रेगुलरली अपडेटिंग सो मेनी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, सो इफ यू हैव एनी क्वीरीज सो यू कैन mail to Infosys team, and if you are still waiting, so the phase is January to May. Okay, because the new joining date they mention in the May, so rather than the January to April phase, okay, most probably the phase is January to May. You can receive the joining dates in this phase. Okay, so ये सभी candidates के लिए नहीं है. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have still any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching.